crafty friends, welcome to the Man Cave. I'm Rob and this is the Man Cave. You know, as we get older, things, or our perspective on things change a little bit and our tastes change, and I'm here to tell you that some of my tastes have been changing lately, and I'm going to show you how they've been changing. I have 3 unboxings today, all from Amazon. And then the big box is down here. I can't really get it. Here's the big box. No, it's not a sewing machine. And it's bigger than a bread box, though. Alright, so I'm going to start out with this first. I'm going to save the absolute best for last, so you're going to want to stick around for that. As I was saying, my tastes in fabrics have changed quite a bit lately, and instead of being a neutral person as far as colors are concerned, I am now venturing into the more colorful things and the more, I don't know how to say it, crazy designers. So in this package here, I just had a package of my Sew Line glue pen refills. Actually, there was 2 in this order, but they shipped them separately. So I had one that arrived 2 days ago, and I hadn't really needed it, so I opened that one. So that was package number 1, my refills for my Sew Line glue pen. And you know, I use a lot of these. They are my best friends. Alright, now the middle size or big box, let me get to it here, is this right here. And you can see it is from Amazon. Still packaged up. And I think as the video progresses, you're going to understand why I ordered this particular thing. I'm not doing a Advent type thing. I'm just buying things that I need. They're my Christmas presents to myself. So we got this. It says that it's a Flambeau Super Half Satchel. Great box for soft baits, actually for fishing, but I'm not going fishing. I'm buying this for storage, and I like this because this is actually a little bit bigger than the ones that I purchased. Oh, and it's broke. No, it's not. It just popped off. This is a little bit bigger than the one that I purchased in the past, but it should work just fine, and you're going to see what I'm going to use it for. It has 3 dividing shelves in it that slide in, 3 slots for separating and storing things, and you're going to see why I purchased this. This is the most exciting part of the unboxing. I'm going to put this aside, and we're going to get into this gem. Now this is not really light. It's got some substance to it. So let's cut this open and see what it is. Now again, remember I said that my tastes are changing. No, this is not a jelly roll. I'm telling you that right up front. No jelly roll. No Moda scrap bag here. But I will continue to buy those in the future. But right now this is something totally different. Oh, come on, okay. Check this out. They're fat quarters. And the little bag of packing material. They're just scraps of fabric that this person threw in a bag just for a little extra packaging so things didn't bounce around. Alright, so can you look at this fabric and tell me who the designer is. Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Let's, oops, flip this around. I'm going to have to put the camera on pause a minute. Alrighty, and I'm back. Going on, can you tell me, by looking at this fabric, who the designer is? I got two different packs here. Let's open this first one here. I think I could just rip it. It's a very thin plastic bag. Yeah, I can just rip that open. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 fat quarters. So I'll show them to you individually here. Have you figured out who the designer is yet? Isn't that cute, little raccoons? If you guessed Tula Pink, you are correct. These are all Tula Pink fat quarters. And I have to be very honest, I was never a big fan of Tula Pink and her fabric. But lately I've been looking at it and I'm like, I really am enjoying the vibrant colors and some of the great things that she's putting in, some of the images that she's putting into her her fabric lines. So I said, you know what, I'm going to break down and I'm going to start collecting Tula Pink fat quarters. So I got one more here. This one here, if I can get it open. So yeah, these are my Christmas presents to me. So excited, so excited. I've been waiting for this forever. I've actually had these now sitting here for 2 days, and it's just been crying to me to open them up. Here's another one. And another. I like this. Like the color, I like the pattern in it. Oh, and these are my favorites. Now, you all have to help me here with this one. Is this fairy flakes or fairy dust? I love the fairy dust. And here's another one in her collection. And another one like that, but in just a slightly different colorway. Here, let me show you. This is more green, where this is more of a purpley blue. And another fairy flake or fairy dust. Now, I don't know if you realize how expensive Tula Pink fabrics are. And I'm like, I can't afford to buy it by the yardage or anything. So I said, I'm just going to start buying and collecting fat quarters. Thus, the reason for this box. I can label it and keep all of my fat quarters in here, and they fit just perfectly, actually. So see, keep all my wonderful Tula expensive fabrics safe. This little box has a handle on it. It's easy to carry around. So yeah, I'm super excited. Now, I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do with my Tula Pink fabric yet, but I'm going to hoard it. Yes, I am a hoarder. I am a fabric hoarder. And I'm not embarrassed to admit it. I'm putting my scissors back in their little storage box here on the wall. I'm not embarrassed to admit that I'm a hoarder. I need to find places here at the man cave to put everything, but we will get it done. And oh, by the way, I finished the baby quilt finally, and just in time. The baby was born on 12/11. A little baby boy, 6 pounds 15 ounces, and his name is Joseph Richard. I have not met the baby yet. I'm hoping that they're going to drop by later today on the way home from the hospital so that I get a chance to see the little prince and give him his baby quilt back here. I did not overly quilt this. It's just lightly quilted. I didn't tie it after all. I did quilt it, but it's not overly quilted. I didn't want to get it stiff. And it's a baby quilt. For goodness sakes, how long is this quilt going to last? I'm not sure how well the mother is going to want to take care of it, or if she's going to actually want to take care of it, but I wanted the baby to have his first quilt. Actually, it's not going to be his first. I understand his grandmother already gave him a quilt, so he'll have 2 quilts now, 2 baby quilts. So I'll move out of the way a little bit so you can kind of see it. It's not big. I don't remember exactly what the measurements are. I did measure it, but I have so many other exciting things on my brain right now, like my Tula Pink fabric. Yes. So yeah, that's it. That's my holiday gifts to myself. I have actually one more package coming. I was trying to hold off. I thought maybe it would have been here today, but sadly, when I checked the tracking on it, it's not going to be here till tomorrow. But it's not anything really important. It is sewing related, but I don't think I'm going to do an unboxing for it. It's just a package of multicolor threads that I need for my